What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Travel with G. We back out here at the Kalahari Resorts for Easter weekend, man. Looking to have a blast. I'm finna go in here, take this luggage in here, show y'all this room, and then we just gonna have some fun. I'll see y'all inside. So basically, we got a standard queen bed, 2 queen beds. So, see. Got a picture of a gorilla right here, which is right next to the front door. So if I swing around, you have the microwave and the refrigerator right there. The dresser, you got with drawer space. Excuse me, Daniel. Drawers you can put stuff in. Wow. Have the, I guess, little dining area right here. TV, fireplace. Couch right next to the bed. Picture of a cheetah. And also have a back door that leads to the outside. Whoa! And that is pretty much it. I love how high these ceilings are. These are some pretty high ceilings. Oh, here's the bathroom, shower. Wet. Tub. Put that over there. Toilet and tub situation. Elephant made out of a towel. That's dope. I like that. Got your coffee maker and cups. Got your towels down here. Right up under the sink. Trash can. And that's pretty much it for the room tour. We about to go ahead, get dressed, put our swimming suits on, and we're gonna head down to the pool. See y'all at the pool.
I'm gonna get wet and get pool. Let's go over there.
We'll go over here first. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, now here, Dada.
So we just got out the pool. Now we getting ready to go in here and have dinner at BLUX. See y'all in there. just got finished eating BLUX. The food was so good. Had a great time. I think I had the Parmesan wings and onion rings. Those were really good. My kids is kind of running around over here. They're going in right now. But my wife, I think she had like barbecue wings and some Parmesan fries. Those were okay. All in all, I give this place a solid, for sure, a solid 4 out of 5. They really have some really, really good wings. My brother-in-law, him and his family was here with us as well. He had the Nashville chicken sandwich. He said it was amazing. He really loved it. The Nashville chicken sandwich. So great food here, man. So if you're ever here, check them out. Check them out. BLUX is right here in the lobby, right next to the check-in desk where you check in at. Tomorrow we have reservations tomorrow for the new Italian restaurant that they have. It's called Sorrentino's, I believe. So we got reservations for there tomorrow. Be in there, check it out, see what that's about. But yeah, if you're in Kalahari and Sandusky, BLUX is definitely a go. It's definitely a go. But listen, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up tonight. We did the wave pool. The wave pool was fun. That's all we really got a chance to do because we got in so late. Come tomorrow, we got all day. We gonna be in the pool, arcade, all that. We doing it. We getting it in. But did the wave pool. Ate here at BLUX. Everything was good. I'm checking out for the night. I'm signing out. But listen, y'all, I will catch y'all tomorrow in the next vlog. As I always say, stress less and travel more. And I'll see you again in the next video. Peace.